tempat wisata yang berada di Aceh Utara. Ini saat ini udah kondisinya seperti ini ya. Ini dulu ramai nih teman-teman. Ini udah banyak yang terbengkalai dan lain sebagainya. Itu apa itu? Nah, seperti ini dia ya. Wah, sangat sayang teman-teman. Banyak yang terbengkalai ini. Itu apa itu teman-teman? Saya pun nggak tahu, entah semut entah apa ini. Apa ini teman-teman? Jenis lalat dan semut ya. Nah, suara apa tuh? Suara hantu. Ini dulu kami sering kesini ya, tapi saat ini udah terbengkalai, nggak tahu entah kenapa bisa seperti ini. Mungkin masanya sudah habis ya, karena sebenarnya dulu ini lokasinya ya lumayan ceria di sini kita. Lumayan waduh gitu kan, dari tahun 2000 berapa itu sampai 2017-an. Oke. Mungkin di sana ada ya, atau udah tutup juga tuh. Oh, mungkin di sana ada satu lagi itu ya. Ya begitulah teman-teman kondisinya untuk saat ini. Di dekat PLT dekat PT Arun Aceh Utara. Ini teman-teman, lokasinya sudah sepi, nggak tahu kenapa. Parkir pun motor 5.000, mobil 10.000, ya kan? Kita akan ke sana ya, karena bagian sana, karena di sana udah sepi itu. Ini masuk ke lokasi ini lain lagi tiketnya teman-teman, 5.000 per orang katanya. Yang di sini ya, apa alasannya seperti ini nggak tahu kita. Oke, seingat saya kemarin itu ini dulu kuala, terus air mengalir ke sini deh teman-teman. Dari sana ke sini, terus ke sana mengalirnya.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until